Krishna, bubbly, Emmanuel. Open your arms. Good. Let's do side to side. यार थोड़ा पैर में डिस्टेंस रखो. Side or रखो distance in your legs. Easily shift. That seems to be a little dirty. है ना? उसके ऊपर दूसरा लगा दो. कुछ लोग शूज लगाते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. तेल भी लगा देते. Yes, go down and back. Come on, hip back 10 and hip forward 9 and forward 8 7 good 6 5 4 very good 3 last 2 and last 1 and let's do side to side hands in windmill. Look up one side, knee straight. 10 and 10 9 1 and up 8 look down. Sorry, look up towards the ceiling. 7 7 6 ऊपर देखो 5 5 4 3 2 1 and 1 and leg raise one side 15 count. 3 to 1 and 10 and up 9 8 7 6 5 4 everyone video on 3 2 5 more 5 4 3 2 last one good and yes Munni, can you shift a little bit आगे पीछे wait a minute yes okay हाँ good अदर साइड लेग रेज करते हैं जल्दी आने का 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 breathe out 3 2 15 other side 5 more 5 4 3 last 2 and 1 yes and sideways lift your leg sideways with your hand 10 and up 9 8 7 6 try to keep your knees straight very good bubbly your range has increased than before 5 more 5 very good 4 3 very good Jigna 1 the side yes Chetna sideways 10 9 and up 8 हाथ ऊपर लेके जाओ 7 yeah we feel the stretch in your arms 6 and up 5 4 hip base shift your hip sideways 3 2 5 more 5 4 3 2 1. Good. And kick your leg backwards. Straight leg, okay? For your hips, for your glutes. Good. And let's circle your ankle. So we learn balancing also. एक जगह देखो, okay? So balance रहेगा. Look towards your belly button. So you get some balancing. At the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 3, 2, 1. And now we open up, okay, completely from left to right. Okay. 5. पूरा knee को उठाओ. Left, forward, back. Full circle. 4, 3, 2, and reverse from right to left. Same leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Yeah, you do both sides. 5, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Jack and toe touch. You do, okay? So let's start. Jumping jack and touch your toe down. 10 and down. 9. Keep your back straight. 8. नीचे जाओ. Back straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly you can. 1. Yeah. Okay. We are still doing the warm up only. So end of your mat, everyone. सब लोग पीछे आ जाओ. Last way. So what we're doing is hands lift up and V position में से hold रख. Okay. End of your mat. हाँ करती हूँ. Hands up, round your back, and come. Walk your hands and hold in a V. Okay, look down and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cobra में आ जाओ भी. Come forward, cobra. Two more. Stretch back. V position and cobra. किसको गर्म होने लगा था? वार्म अप में ही थक गए. Yeah, two more. Shivi, Nikita, Poonam, Neetu, Gideon. And forward. One last. One. Very good. And forward. Good. Okay. हाँ मुझे भी नहीं पसंद है फैन. थोड़ा पसीना आना चाहिए. एसी क्यों लगाते हैं अभी? थोड़ा कम रखो फैन. लिटिल बिट पसीना इज गुड. स्टीम होता है नेचुरल. जाने की जरूरत नहीं स्पा. Okay, so end of your mat. First seat. We round your back. We walk your hands and we hold this high plank. Okay, so hip को up लेते हुए like that. Okay, if you can't do this, तो मैं थोड़ा sideways दिखाती हूँ online के लिए. You have to walk your hands, lift your hip up and slide. Okay, ये नहीं हो रहा है तो चलेगा. पहले hip नीचे रखो. ये basic कर सकते हो. And again walk your hands. See, my knees are straight here. Okay, so I want you to stretch this hamstring also. Again, when you go down, keep your knee straight only and go down. ऐसे बेंड करके नहीं, स्ट्रेट नी फॉरवर्ड, either this or you can just go this cobra and walk your hands like that, straight leg, ये stretch करना है. Okay, so 10 count कर रहे हैं. Wait, everyone ready? Let's go. Come on, round, walk your hands, high plank, go down completely, cobra, and go back. Very good. वो पूरा up है. Okay, up होते हुए keep your knee straight and up. That is the challenge. Okay. Again, this was a trial. Start 10 count. 10 up होना है. हाँ. Straight legs. Go down. Hip up. Slide into cobra. V position. Knee straight. Walk your hands back. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. Again, up. Very good. 9. Yes, do the modification, but don't stop. Keep the heartbeat up. That's fine. चलेगा जिगना. Modification करो, सो जाओ. पहले हिप नीचे रखो. चलेगा. Come on, good. 8. You can be even faster. Those who have good flexibility, they'll be doing faster. You can do 15 count also. Okay. Yes. अभी सबकी flexibility नहीं है ना hamstring की, इसलिए वो कुछ slow कर रहे हैं. या जिगना do fast. Bubbly can do faster. 7. Good. Very good, Anita. Yes, Neil. Hip up रखे जाओ. 5. Yeah, it's okay. Heartbeat up. Do it. Very good. Abs एकदम tight पकड़ के नीचे जाओ. आएगा धीरे. नहीं हो रहा है, knees पे जाओ. knees पे जाके भी कर सकते हो ऐसे. चलेगा. knee plank, knee push up कर सकते हो. 6 हो गया. हाँ. 5. हाँ 10 हो गया ना. You can do 15 also. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा न्यू स्टूडेंट्स भी है ना, तो जिनका हुआ है वो लोग 15 करो and others do 10 for that. कितना हुआ? I think 3 is remaining, right? हाँ. ये तुम्हारा? Okay, come on. It's okay for you. न्यू स्टूडेंट्स जो भी है कम काउंट है, चलेगा. मेन फॉर्म थोड़ा समझ लेना है साथ में. ओके, गुड. कौन? टुडे फाइबर क्लब बैच में ऐसे ही 2 स्टूडेंट्स आए, जुम्बा के लिए उनको वर्कआउट कराया, एंड अदर स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो डीमोटिवेटेड देम. हाँ, बहुत पहला दिन ही वाट लग जाती है. They were doing everything properly. ये लोग ही demotivated. Yes, now we're doing burpees, everyone's favorite. So what we're doing is hop, hands down, legs back, legs forward. Like that. Okay, so you can be faster that, or you can be slow, one leg. Also, you can take squat, one leg back, other leg forward. Slow भी चलेगा या फास्ट भी चलेगा, पर हाथ पैर जो है वो इधर तक लेके आना है, हाथ तक. ओके, लाइक दिस रेंज. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. तो 10 काउंट करना है. ओके. हाँ, स्टार्ट ऑफ ए मैट एवरीवन. ये पीछे जाना है. लेट्स डू फर्स्ट. एक साथ हॉप, हाथ नीचे रखो, पैर पीछे लेके जाओ, एक एक लेके जाओ, पैर आगे लो, hop. Okay, now do it. Start. 10 count. 10. Forward. Try to take both your legs पूरा आगे तक. Yes. 9. Good. 8. Very good. पूरा पीछे तक. Everyone, legs complete behind, complete forward. Try to do full range. नहीं हुआ तो चलेगा. A little modification, flat hands. Very good. 6, 5. Good. 4. Come on, come on. Heartbeat up. That's also fine. We have to increase our stamina, right? 10 हुआ? नहीं, 10 करना है. चलेगा, स्लो करो, एक एक लेग करो. एक एक लेग करो, don't stop. See, now you are increasing your stamina, right? 5 was your capacity. Now again you're doing 5 more is where you're burning calorie. Do slow. हाँ करो ना. 15 तक तुम कर सकते हो हर कुछ. Come on. Yeah. Come on, that's the way. Very good. Very good, Hema. Ashwini. 15, 10 or 15, anything is fine. Very good. Very good. Keep breathing. So small breathe outs from your mouth. And don't drink water immediately. Okay. Breathe out. Take your heartbeat normal first. Okay. So first see and then when you are doing this. Okay. तब तक तुम्हारा heartbeat normal होगा जब तक कि तुम देख रहे हो. So this is a variation for burpees. You're not getting up complete. Legs behind, leg forward, bicep curl. Again. See, this is what I'm doing, not Malasana. दोनों हाथ नीचे. Bicep curl. Keep the dumbbell down. मेरा बहुत सारा वर्कआउट हो जाता है हर बैच में दिखा दो. फिर 5 o'clock स्टूडेंट बोले नहीं समझा वापस दिखाओ ऐसे. और जिनको नहीं समझा मुझे वापस दिखाना है उनको और एक्स्ट्रा काउंट करना है. Yeah, so take 5 kg or if you can take more weight is also fine. Sorry, 2 kg, 2.5 kg is also fine. If you have a capacity, you can take 5 also, more weight. And if you don't want to take weight is also fine. Without weights also you can do 10 count, okay? पूरा उठना नहीं है, okay? So everyone keep the dumbbell down first. So let's start with this way. Hands down, leg back. Everyone leg back, leg forward. Now lift the dumbbell, bicep curl. Malasana nahi, squat. And now again keep the dumbbell down, leg back, leg forward, squat position. Legs में distance रखो थोड़ा. Squat में, come on. Flat hand. Flat hand use करो. When you go back, flat hands Neha. Flat hands. 8, 7. After this is going to be easier. Just do this last 6. Very good. Come on. 5. Very good. That's fine. थोड़ा modification चलेगा. Keep doing. 4. चलेगा चलेगा. V position में ही जा रहे हो. चलेगा. Don't stop. Do it. 3. Come on, come on. Flat hands use करो पीछे आने के लिए. Last 2. Come on. 1. 10 हुआ? नहीं कितना हुआ? ठीक है तो चलेगा. No problem. Yeah, first day ना चलेगा. Okay, now you sit down and after a minute we drink some water. Little bit sitting arm we are doing now, abs. So when you are doing abs, it is like a full body workout only. So बैठ जाओ and first you just see. Okay, don't do. बैठो पानी पियो तब तक मैं दिखा रही हूँ. Wait, time है. Sitting crunches कर रहे हैं. So take the dumbbell around your back. Come up. Shoulder press. Okay, so I'm not lifting my legs. Try to keep your legs down only. Sitting crunches, okay? तो एक साइड से मत उठो ऐसे, सेंटर से उठना है. अगर नहीं उठ पा रहे हो, तो just keep the dumbbell down, come up. This is just a modification. Legs up, roll up. जो नहीं कर रहे हैं कर सकते हैं ना, just don't sit, do this, okay? But try to do this first, sitting crunch, okay? हाँ, पानी पी लो पहले. Everyone drink some water now, and little water. Otherwise, too much of water. So we take 5. You can take 5 kg. Huh? Yes. You take ना 5, usually 5 kg. ये ले लो. उधर ही रखो 2 kg भी. Good. So everyone ready? Yes, Chetna, you're feeling sleepy. रुको तुम्हारी नींद उड़ाती हो. Yes. So everyone sit up and let's start. Come on, round your back, go down, sleep and up. हाँ, डंबल chest level पे ही रखो. सो जाओगे तो up, get up. Okay. हाँ, और एक बार करो, इसके बाद हम शुरू करेंगे. Let me see. Very good. So as you get up, पहले straight back रखो, shoulder press. Again, round your back, go down. जिगना तुम्हारा back round हो रहा है. So round your back, get up, straight back, shoulder press. Again, round your back, go down. So let's do 15 from now. 15, up and slow down. Inhale down. Exhale up. 1, 8. अभी easy हो रहा है सबको. Go down slow. Easy. Go 4 count slow. Okay. As you go down slow नीचे, you will feel this more stretch in your abs. Very good. 6. Yes, Chetna, you can do that modification. Those who can't do it, roll up and roll down. 5. Come on. 4. Slow down नीचे. So as you go down slow, you're building those abs. 3. Come up and do the shoulder press, Karishma. Good. 2. So everyone can do, let's do it 20 count, 10 more. नहीं हो रहा है तो चलो 5 तो कर ही सकते हैं सब लोग, है ना. 5. हाँ, एक ही दिन में बन गया. 3. हाँ, try not to lift your legs, okay? Keep your legs flat. Lat and hip distance. Have you told? 3. Glue your legs on the floor. Very good. Try to do 5 more. One up. हाँ? नहीं हो रहा है, डंबल रखो, करो 5. विदाउट डंबल करो. सब कर सकते हैं. Come on. 4. Very good. 3. Just check your form should be good. And with the bad form, don't do again. Okay? जितना फॉर्म अच्छा है उतना ही करना है. Last one. Good. कैपेसिटी हो गया. फॉर्म खराब हो गया तो करना नहीं. Okay? Because I am telling you to do, don't do it. Yes. So round your back. Okay. And now we are doing some variation. Only one hand and leg. Okay. So एक हाथ पीछे रखना है and you have to sleep. Okay. Alternate hand and leg. This way. थोड़ा diagonal दिखाना पड़ता है ऑनलाइन के लिए. ऐसे. So my right hand and left leg. Down. पूरा पैर को पीछे. Yes. इसके लिए ना weight कम लेना है. Okay. And neck पे आ सकता है. So make sure your neck is like nicely rested on your hand and only lift your shoulder. Less weight. हाँ, तेरे पास ही रखो डंबल. And everyone take less weight for this because you cannot do 20 count with this weight. 5 kg, at least 2 kg is okay. Yeah, that is fine for you. Try with 2. नहीं हुआ ना तो ये लेना. Okay. Try with 2.5. ये ले. Why? You can do with this. Chalo, ready? So let's start with right hand. Sorry. हाँ. Left leg उठाते हैं and right hand. So take the dumbbell in your right hand, everyone. तो एक left leg जो है, left leg, and let's do it. Right hand में dumbbell है. Yes. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, start. 10, up and slow down. 9, shoulder उठाना है and down. Neck नहीं. 8, एक leg को bend रखो. 7, right leg को bend रखो. 6, 5, shoulder उठाना है, not the neck. 4, अश्विनी तुम्हारा neck उठ रहा है ज्यादा. Shoulder उठाओ. So your focus has to be lifting the shoulder, okay? 3, 2, twist your shoulder towards the left side तो और abs पे आएगा. 10 more. Twist left side और. 1, twist. 10 and back. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down. 8 and back. 7 and back. And keep the same rhythm. 5 more. 5. Keep the leg in the air. 4, 3, 2. Very good, Hema. Last one. 20 count, done. Okay, relax. Okay, just shift the weight to the left hand now. And let's start. Fold your left leg. And start. 3, 2, 1. Right leg uthao. 10 and down. 9 and back. 8, shoulder uthao. Inhale down. Do the right breathing. Yes. 7, 6, 5. Very good. 4, breathe out करायचं. 3, don't seal your mouth. 2, 10 more. 10. Good. 9. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, very good. Take your leg all the way forward. For last 3 count. Everyone can do it. Come on, shift your shoulder to the right side. The last 2 count. Come on, Shivi. 1. Yes. जो स्टार्ट किया वैसे ही फॉर्म होना चाहिए लास्ट तक. Try. Just relax. Keep the dumbbell to the side. Relax. Okay, good. Anyone wants to drink water? Can do it. We are doing one more set. Okay, after this. So पानी पीते हैं and 3 sets. Just no, I'm not doing. I'm just showing. ये वाला करेंगे. ठीक है? Sitting crunches. So drink a little bit more water. 20 count is the magical count. अच्छे से होता है. 20 का. अच्छा इसमें तुम्हें abs feel हुआ? ओके अगर नहीं हुआ स्टिल इट्स फाइन. वो थोड़ा कनेक्ट अच्छे से करना पड़ता है. ओके जैसे भी राइट साइड शिफ्ट करो. शोल्डर को ना नॉर्मल अभी देखो डायरेक्ट उठोगे ना तो इतना नहीं आएगा. थोड़ा राइट साइड ऐसे. ओके ट्विस्ट दिस वेज. ओके अभी ये कर रहे हो तुम. अभी नेक्स्ट काउंट हम लोग थोड़ा और अच्छे से करेंगे जिसमें हम आगे यहाँ साइडवेज लेके जा रहे हैं. कि साइडवेज a little bit advanced this way. So it will come more on your arms. But not this. First we are doing this sitting crunch. Yeah, take more weight in this. So first exercise, try to do 20 count sitting. नहीं हुआ तो 15. Okay. You can do without weights also. Do less weight क्योंकि कल आना है ना. तो पहले दिन ही जो भी पहला दिन है करो, 10-15 काउंट भी चलेगा, बिकॉज इट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू पेन। हाँ, तो क्या होता है, आज जोश में तो तुम लोग करते हो, फिर बाद में इतना पेन होता है कि दवाई लेते हो। वो पेन किलर नहीं लेना है। योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो प्रीति टेकन अ पेन किलर आफ्टर वर्कआउट, सो डोंट टेक पेन किलर यार, दिस इज नेचुरल, मसल पेन होता है, तो कम कम करो, चलेगा। सो यू, अभी जैसे कुछ मैंने तुमने कुछ भी वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, तो एंजॉय किया ना, तो तुम्हारे बॉडी को इतना टॉर्चर मत करो अचानक से वर्कआउट करके। इट इज लाइक अ प्लेजर, फन वर्कआउट। So do less count and slowly you can increase the count. Okay. So let's start. Sitting crunches, take the dumbbell in your hand and let's go. 3 to 1, let's start. 10, down, inhale down, exhale up, stand tall, sit tall and shoulder press. Again, round your back. 20 and up. Go down slow. So let's do some increase the challenge, the level. Niche 4 count, slow jump. Very good. 4 count जाओ, मतलब 4 seconds to go down. 4, 3, 2, 1 and up. 16 and up. Come on, legs straight रखो. Flat foot रखो. And up. 15 and up. Yes, come on. नीचे सोना नहीं, इतना आराम नहीं करना है. Tap and up. Yes, sorry, Chepna, are you seeing something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Without dumbbell, how can
करो
I?
ना. Without dumbbell, you can do that. Otherwise, the first one you had done this, you can still do this. Okay. Yeah. If you can't get up, you do that. Everyone, let's do 13 more. 12. Go down slow. 11. 10. Good. 9. चलेगा. 15 हुआ तो भी चलेगा. 8 पर हुआ, कितना हुआ? Come on. 6 more. 6 and up. 5. Up. 4. Come on, good. 3. Very good. Come on, Ashwini. Last one. Well done. Very good. So take a moment to relax. Then we do one single arm. We did only this one set of burpees, na? Yeah, I remember it. मैं भूल ही नहीं. करेंगे हम इसके बाद. So first we are doing this one. As I said, थोड़ा सा sideways लेके जाएंगे अभी. To increase the level of intensity of the workout. So let's start. Right hand में dumbbell. हाँ, लेस वेट डंबल से करना है. हाँ, तो राइट साइड में डंबल लो. जो पहले किया था सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज वही है, सिंगल आर्म, सिंगल लेग एंड सिंगल आर्म. तो राइट साइड डंबल, बेंड योर लेफ्ट लेग, सॉरी बेंड योर राइट लेग, लेफ्ट लेग उठाना है ऊपर. स्टार्ट. 3, 2, 1, 10. एक हाथ छे तो पीछे रखना. 9. नाउ ट्विस्ट, लेग के लेफ्ट साइड में और लेके जाओ. 8. अर्चिता डू इट. 7. अभी एब्स पे और आ रहा है ना. 6. हाँ, नहीं ये यूजुअल नहीं है. यूजुअल जो हमने पहले किया वही है, ये थोड़ा एडवांस है. 15. अभी तुम लोग सब कर रहे हो ना, इससे मैं एडवांस. 14. सॉरी 12 में. 12. हाँ, ओके 5 मोर. कम ऑन शोल्डर कहाँ उठ रहा है? 4. वेरी गुड. कनेक्ट विथ योर एब्स. 2 मोर. Well done. Last one. Very good. I feel like taking a nice video also. Yes. Sync में किया एकदम. Come on, other side, switch dumbbell to your left hand. And let's start. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Start. 10. And down. 9. 8. 1. 7. Sync में करो मस्त वीडियो निकाल. 5. 15 more. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. Good. 10. 9. Very good. Come on. Very good. You can do that. 8. Burn those abs. 7. Twist it more towards the right side. Last 5 count. 4. 3. 2. 1. Such a nice satisfaction number. This 1 is like, yay. Okay, keep the dumbbell, relax. Close your eyes, relax. And make your mind ready to do the burpees. You can do that. इसके बाद हम लोग stretching करेंगे. Okay, last thing is burpees we are doing with this dumbbell. Where we are not getting up completely. जो हमने उस time पे squat, bicep curl, back, forward. This, okay. Try to do 15. If not 10 is okay. Last workout for the day. Then we do the stretching. Okay. So if you have a capacity, you can take 5 kg also. Otherwise 2.5 is also fine. अगर नहीं हो रहा without weights करो. Come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1 and start. Come on. पीछे जाओ. आगे. Bicep curl. Count your 20. Come on. Good. हाँ? 15 बोला था ना मैंने. 14 and up. 13. Come on, take your legs completely up and completely back, full range. You can do that. Come on, because this is the last exercise. Flat is squat, कौन सा squat है ये? Come on, very good. Yes, Priyanka, you're doing nice. 9. Squat nicely. What malasana is it? Archita. Squat. 8. Flat foot in squat. 7. 6 more. Come on, very good. नहीं हो रहा है एक एक पैर पीछे लो. करो करो. 5 more. 5. एक एक लेग चलेगा. लास्ट 4. स्क्वाट कैसे हो रहा है? कंप्रोमाइज हो रहा है. So, what is this, Mayuri? 2 more. Done? Yes, last one. Do it. Done, done, done. So keep the dumbbell to one side and we do the stretching. Drink some water. After your heartbeat is little normal, then you drink water. Okay? Immediate पियोगे तो थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं उसको? ठसका को क्या बोलते हैं? ठसका लगेगा in Marathi से. What we call in English. ठसका लगेगा. Okay, this is getting recorded also.
Neelam, hi.
No one knows English name.
Neelam, can you?
Anyone online?
Yeah. Smita.
Yeah.
Looking for something for inner care.
Exhausted.
What is it called, Chetna?
Exhausted.
Exhausted नहीं रे. देख पानी पिया के ऐसे होता है ना, घाई घाई में पानी पिया तो विंड पाइप में चला जाता है पानी, फिर तुम लोग खांसते हो, उसको हम मराठी में बोलते हैं ठसका। उसको मुझे अभी इंग्लिश वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है।
Choking.
हिक्का नहीं, yeah,
Neelam.
someone said rightly.
Yeah, Neelam, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. Neelam, I'm looking for something for inner thigh. Do you have something
Inner,
for thigh? Thigh के
inner
ऊपर वाला.
thighs, thighs, inner thighs.
Right.
Okay. So this inner side of the thighs, you
Yeah,
mean to say, right?
upper inner side जो heavy होता है generally for ladies.
This
That
side.
one. Right.
Yeah, we can work it out on this also. Like whatever now we are doing now, squats and all that, also it helps. Okay, this
Right.
also helps to do this all type of workouts. But yeah, we can take a separate one day. We also do that inner thighs also.
Yeah, it would be helpful. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. Next class, inner thighs. It's very interesting, very relaxing also and effective inner thighs. So now let's do the cool down. So just try to sit in Vajrasana if you can. But if you have a knee pain, you can sit normal. And semicircle your neck down. And up. Semicircle up. Relax. Focus on your breath. Yeah. And look towards the left side and right. One more time. Yeah. Now interlock your fingers on your chin and look up and hold. 3, 2, 1. Hand on your crown, look down. One more time. Up. And look down towards the belly button. Yeah. So curl one side, curl your waist. Yeah. And hold. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Very good. Pull your elbow backwards, downwards. Hat elbows पे and push down for 3, 2, 1. Other side. And hands on your shoulder. Push up. Now you can look toward the right side. Push backward. Good. Slide your hand to one side. And yeah, if it is difficult, you sit normal. Okay. Normal बैठ के भी कर सकते हो. ऐसे बैठ जाओ नहीं हो रहा है तो. But hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale down. Exhale. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Normal बैठ जाओ. One more time. Okay. Now slide and go down even more. Increase the range. Go down. Come on. Hold. Slide as much as you can. Don't lift your hip up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center, exhale, slide, increase the range. 3, 2, 1. Good. So interlock your fingers. You can sit normal, okay? If you can't do this till then, and hand up and hold one side. Feel the stretch sideways. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center, exhale, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind, interlock, go down. Try to touch your forehead down if you can. And try to lift your hands up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down in a child pose now. आगे जाओ, चाइल्ड पोज, hip back. Okay, child pose में try to touch your glutes on your heel. उठाना नहीं है glutes को, पीछे लेके जाना है hip. This is the child pose. Okay, and hold. Yeah. Shift both your hands to left side. Straight arms. Okay, feel the stretch in your back. दोनों हाथ left side and hold. Feel the stretch in your lat muscles, your back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And center. Take your knees out. Yeah. अभी knees को out करो. Hands forward. And hold. विचारलं मी मयुरीला. काही रिप्लाय पण आहे. Good. And relax. Let's do the puppy pose, okay? So puppy pose, knees and hip in one line, straight, and just drop your forehead down, drop your chest down. ये है puppy pose. तो knees और hip एक line में रखो. Yeah. And drop, touch your forehead down. Just drop your chest also down. आगे आगे नहीं जाना है, okay? Knees और hip एक line में बस. ज़्यादा आगे मत जाओ. And try to drop the whole way down. And just relax there. The more you relax, you feel that stretch in your back muscle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And take your knees out. Like come on your elbows up first. Knees out and in frog pose. Okay. Frog pose में जाना है. Knees out but hip level पे. Yeah, knees and hip in one line. Yeah, your knees will cross outside the mat, which is okay. Jao. Spread your legs out, and hold until you feel a little uncomfortable. That is the place. Hold for 5, 4, knee, hip, 3, knees out or out करो. 2, yeah, a little uncomfortable. 1, slowly take one leg and then the other leg to the center. Then go back, child pose, relax. Okay. This we are doing a stretch. Okay, hip. Yeah. So first, पहले देखना है. Okay, V position first we go. V, lift your right leg up. Then hug your knee to your chest. And then go in a pigeon pose. Okay, ऐसे. So वापस दिखाती हूँ. Lift your leg up. So as I'm lifting my leg up in a donkey pose, मैं मेरा upper body भी आगे लेके जा रही हूँ. So increasing the range. Then hug your knee to your chest. And then pigeon. Okay. तो एक दो बार करोगे तो और आएगा अच्छे से. So first V position. First hold the V, small V करो, flat hands. Lift your right leg up. Upper body को भी अंदर लेके जाओ. Dig your upper body, knee straight. Good, hold. And now hug your knee to your chest and hold. And now pigeon pose. Okay. Hip down, hold. हाँ बस नहीं. हाँ, this is okay. Okay, same side again. Lift up, down, V position. Again, right leg up. Hug your knee to your chest and immediately come in a pigeon pose. तो एक nice flow में आ जाओ. Up and okay, हाँ, one more time. V position. Lift up, knee to your chest and pigeon pose. तो और थोड़ा नहीं, हिप को वेट, एक्चुअली वो समझना भी चाहिए ना कि क्या रॉन्ग है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज योर थिंग कि डायगोनली है, राइट? इट हैज टू बी स्ट्रेट, सो यू बोथ योर हिप्स हैज टू बी स्ट्रेट. आगे ये नी आगे इधर लो. ओके, स्ट्रेट हिप्स आगे, तो ऐसे डायगोनल नहीं है, स्ट्रेट है. ये है राइट पोजीशन ऑफ पिजन. ओके, सो नाउ लेफ्ट लेग के साथ करते हैं. ओके, on V position, lift your left leg up as much as you can, hug your knee to your chest and pigeon pose. Shift your hip to the center सामने. फिर वहां तुम्हारा गलत हो रहा है, ये नी इधर नहीं है, नी साइड में है. ओके, राइट. अगेन 2 more times. Very good. You know it, do it. And down. Yeah, sit completely down. And one more time. अगर अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा है ये फ्लो, मतलब तुम्हारी हिप मोबिलिटी और जरूरत है. एंड अप एंड डाउन. कहीं से बीच में से अटकता है ना, फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, वो अटक रहा है क्योंकि वो हिप मोबिलिटी नहीं है. तो जैसे रेगुलरली तुम करोगे वो आ ही जाता है. ओके, नाउ गो डाउन, जस्ट स्लीप इन अ पिजन, स्लीपिंग पिजन, सेम लेग. ये नहीं इधर. ओके, एंड स्लीप. पीछे का लेग और पीछे लेके जाओ. Yes, now you know the pigeon pose, so next time you know it well. And just try to drop your whole weight down and hold. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit and try to interlock your fingers behind in a pigeon if you can. Okay, interlock करो पीछे hand. नहीं हो रहा है तो चलेगा. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी थोड़ी कम है तो ये नहीं होगा, which is okay. Yeah. Yes. And let's do the pigeon pose, other side, sleeping pigeon with your right leg now. Back leg को flat रखो. Shift both your hip downwards. Okay. Diagonally नहीं उठाना है. Sleep. Good. If your form is correct, you will feel even more good stretch in your hip. And drop your weight down. Relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sit. Sitting pigeon, just do the correction, shift your hip center. Diagonally जा रहा है ना, तो hands lower back पे रखो. Lower back पे रख के shift your hip आगे. Lower back पे रख के आगे चला जाना. Yeah, वो diagonally जाता है with naturally. Okay, relax. So round your back. एक साइड कभी भी अच्छे से होता है, दूसरा साइड में प्रॉब्लम. एंड बटरफ्लाई. Done. Good. Well done. So we have finished the full body workout. Yay. Faster flips. Faster karo. Inner thighs workout. Do this butterfly. Who had asked me? ये मैं हमेशा करूँ inner thighs के लिए. Very good. You're watching a TV, you're just doing this time pass. ऐसे करते बैठो, टीवी देखो. And go down. Try to touch your forehead down on your big toe. And hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. कहाँ? नहीं इतना टाइम थोड़ी लगता है, हो जाता है। ओके सब कुछ है, पर ब्रीदिंग भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके जैसे अभी तुम लोग ना ऐसे ब्रेथ कंट्रोल करके करोगे ना तो कुछ नहीं होगा। तो इनहेल एंड एज यू गोइंग इन एनी स्विच ना एक्सहेल 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 करना है। अभी करके देखो, एक्सहेल इनहेल एक्सहेल 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 करो एंड देन यू डू इट, इट बिकम सो इजी। सो राइट ब्रीदिंग, तो कोई भी स्ट्रेच हो, एक्सहेल एक्सहेल एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स करना है। ऐसे ब्रेथ कंट्रोल करेंगे तो कोई भी स्ट्रेच नहीं होगा, बट यू आर डूइंग गुड। एंड या बेसिकली इनर थाइज का जो है ना, ये बचपन से अगर नहीं किया है ना कुछ भी वर्कआउट, तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, इट टेक्स टाइम। एंड बोन का नेचुरली लाइक इवन नाउ माइन आई एम डूइंग सो मच, इट डजंट टच, which is okay, like my body is designed in a way नहीं हो रहा है ना, which is okay, but slowly if you keep doing it it will come, but you have to understand कुछ limitations तो होते ही है हर body में, everything cannot be like so perfect, which is fine। yeah. अभी बोन का ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर ही अगर ऐसा है कि वो यहाँ तक अभी नहीं जा सकता है, बचपन में कुछ जिम्नास्टिक नहीं किया है, तो अचानक से लाइक आफ्टर 35 also I started, you cannot just expect creating miracle like that, so that's fine, like हर एक का एक प्रोग्रेस होता है, which is okay, everyone is doing nice, clap for yourself, see you on Friday, and yeah, Thursday class is also there, tomorrow we'll be doing some other workout 6:30, okay, and then Friday will be Zumba with me,
Bye bye.
कल आ जाओ everyone, okay, bye, well done।